Hey, how's it going, everybody? Newcastle Ninja here, and what I have for you today is the Kizer Mini Roach. This is a pretty awesome little knife, and I'm usually one that goes for about a 3.5-inch blade, pushing 8 inches overall, but this here is overall 7.13 inches with a 3-inch blade of tumbled stonewash 154 cm steel and a awesome hollow ground, very thin edge knife. I mean, this thing is just a slicing machine. Everything I've seen about this knife has pretty much been spot on. It's got great ergos to it. You can just see how your fingers can just marry right into their placement of the cutout of that. And your thumb just goes right into that spot. And if you choke up any further, you got some really decent jimping along the spine of that knife. Yeah, it's pretty awesome. And for a smaller knife, this one really delivers in what's been touted about it. It's got tremendous cutting ability, and let's see. Yeah. Razor sharp. Hair popping. No problem. Let's see what it can do with some papers on a magazine. One thing I always like to see when something has exceptionally sharp cutting ability is just going, yep, not a problem. Do a little better than that. Yeah, it just slices right through, no problem. And yeah, it's definitely pretty awesome. Here's a little bit of cardboard. See what we can do here. Like nothing. It's a laser. And yeah, very nice. Very comfortable to cut with. You got this nice honeycomb pattern on this G10 handle. This the knife also comes in all black with a black blade. And yeah, I went with this one because I am preferable for either a satin or stonewash finish. And yeah, you can choke up on there too for extra fine cutting if you want. And I gotta say, very pleased with it. It's got excellent lockup. See, very centered. Look at that. It does only have right side tip up only carry. And as you can see there, everything is nice and recessed into the handle. And yeah, so it's got a nice, comfortable clip there. You can use the thumb hole like so. And also for doing the reverse flick. Everything is nice and smooth. Nothing is sharp, no sharp edges whatsoever. And you also have, along with the jimping on the spine and on the the flipper tab, you've even got nice access point to the liner that is also jimped. And yeah, it's got a really nice ridging there. Nothing that's going to be overly aggressive. And with the way that the milling is done on this, with that honeycomb pattern, you can just really feel it if you press in, but outside of that, nothing too aggressive for a pocket chewer. So yeah, it's a nice knife. And I'll let you get a better look at it. As you can see right here, if you take the knife apart, there is a little screw here that you can actually remove the flipper tab, which is also a really nice little option. It's got a great piercing point to it, and it's a great little knife. Very happy I got it, and I gotta once again give a little shout out to Wayne's Sharpboard on this one, because although they go for $75 on Amazon and most other places, you can use his discount code upon purchasing this, which is his Mojave discount of Wayne's World, all caps, no spaces. And I got this for $67.50. I literally purchased it yesterday, got it today. So there you go. Little shout out to Wayne. You can also, of course, use other people like Bees Blades and whoever that you want. But I gotta say, 154 cm G10 knife, great hollow ground, different ways of opening it, extremely ergonomic, and it's a laser beam. So there you go. Nice, short, sweet. Hope you liked the video. Please feel free to make some comments or any suggestions of anything that you would like to see on here. And also, please like and subscribe to the channel because that is greatly appreciated as well. And there you go. I'll just let you get one more look-see at it. And not a lot of billboarding. It's kind of subdued with the color font that they used on there. But there it is. And here is the designer for the Mini Roach. And yeah, that's about it. I'm Newcastle Ninja. I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.